Today's sticky note fact is that the first video game ever created was called Tennis for Two, and it was made in 1958. Tennis for Two was a simple tennis game played on an oscilloscope, a type of old computer screen. It's considered the first interactive video game, even though it looked nothing like the video games we play today. Fun fact: Tennis for Two was created as a fun experiment for visitors at a science fair, not as a commercial product. If you could invent your own video game, what would it be about? How do you think video games have changed since the first one was made? Pause and discuss with your class or leave a comment with your answer. And that's today's sticky note fact. Remember to like and subscribe and have a great day.